this guide, I'm going to show you how you can fix Fall Guys black screen here on PC. If it's launching with a black screen or it just randomly happens to have a black screen, don't worry, this will fix that. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. First things first, what you're going to want to do is verify your game files. So go ahead and open up the Epic Games launcher. And if you have Fall Guys open, go ahead and close it. But I actually have Fall Guys through Steam. And we're going to use Rocket League as an example. But click the three dots in your library on Fall Guys itself and then hit Manage just like so. Then from here, hit Verify up at the very top. And this is going to scan for missing or corrupted files and automatically re-download them. Just wait a minute for it to complete and try launching the game again. If it does still continue, go back to your library, hit the three dots, go back into Manage, and this time hit Installation and open up the install location just like so. Essentially, you need to find your Fall Guys client in here, and that's going to be that, exe file or application file. So open up, binaries for me, 164, and then of course it's going to be in here, but just keep in mind I'm using Rocket League to demonstrate this. Right click on Fall Guys though, and then go ahead and find the option for properties, select that and go into compatibility. And what you're going to want to do is try the settings, and essentially you just need to check disable full screen optimizations, check run this program as an administrator, and of course you can also try run in compatibility mode for Windows 8 if you do have that on here. I do not have that. I'm just kidding, I do, it's up at the very top. If you receive an error code like LS0013, uncheck run as administrator and do it again. Just make sure you hit apply and OK before leaving. What you can also do is update your graphics drivers, and you can do this by going down to the very bottom and opening up the device manager by just searching for it down here. Once you're on here, go ahead and find display adapters. Go ahead and open it up, find your graphics driver, right click on it, hit update driver, and hit search automatically for drivers. Once you have this opened up, what you're going to want to do is update it if there is one. And if you're still having issues, sign out of Epic Games and log back in, close any background applications, and restart your PC. That should help you. Worst case, you might have to uninstall and reinstall Fall Guys itself. But yeah, if you guys did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below. One of these should help you out. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out, lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.